Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple natural choices that can improve your life. Today's topic is something extremely important: your immune system. Every day, your body faces stress from the environment, lack of sleep, unhealthy habits, busy lifestyle. Your immune system helps protect your body. This is why nutrition matters. Let's begin with garlic. Garlic has been used in traditional food culture for centuries. It contains natural compounds connected with immune support. Many people include garlic in daily meals for this reason. Another important food is honey. Natural honey contains antioxidants. Warm tea with honey is popular in many cultures during cold seasons. Then comes lemon. Lemons contain vitamin C. Vitamin C supports your body's natural defense system. Another powerful food is ginger. Many people drink ginger tea during colder months. Ginger is widely connected with warmth plus comfort. Now let's talk about yogurt. Yogurt contains probiotics. These beneficial bacteria support gut health. A large part of immune function is connected with the digestive system. Another important green food is spinach. Spinach contains vitamins, minerals, antioxidants. These nutrients support overall wellness. Then comes blueberries. Blueberries contain powerful antioxidants that help protect your cells from internal stress. Another important food is walnuts. Walnuts contain healthy fats plus nutrients connected with balanced nutrition. Then comes green tea. Green tea contains plant compounds that support cell protection. Many people enjoy green tea as calming healthy habit. Another refreshing fruit is orange. Oranges contain vitamin C plus hydration. This supports daily wellness. But here is the truth. No food creates perfect immunity. That is not realistic. Sleep matters. Movement matters. Stress management matters. Balanced nutrition matters. Healthy habits work together. Now here is the key idea. Simple natural foods may help support your body over time. Consistency matters more than quick solutions. Because real health is built from small, smart habits. Repeated every day. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, take care.